Hey everybody, today I'm gonna be doing this fresh, simple Korean-inspired makeup look, and to start things off, make sure you washed your face and applied moisturizer. Next step is primer. I'm using Benefit Professional. I love this product because it helps my foundation glide better on my skin, and I'm applying on my cheeks and T-zone area. For foundation, I'm using the Face Shop Cushion. I'm applying it all over my face, and don't forget to apply near your hairline as well as your neck. Blend it well to avoid harsh foundation lines for a flawless base. Cushion foundation is popular in Korea because it usually has ingredients for skincare, so not only does it work as a foundation but also helps keep the skin look and feel healthy. For my brows, I'm using Newborn Eyebrow Pencil. I'm gonna start by brushing my brows, and then from the bottom, I'm gonna slowly draw soft lines to fill in my brow. I tried my best to make my brows straight like how Koreans do theirs, but this is the best I could do. Next is to apply brow powder in the areas you need to fill more. Don't forget to apply brow gel. I'm using NYX Clear Brow Gel and Benefit's Tinted Brow Gel. Brush your brows upwards so that they stay in place. For eyeshadow, I'm using Sumatra and Spectrum from the Smashbox palette. We're keeping it as light as possible. Start with a muted pink shade and pack it on the lid. Start at the bottom center and blend your way up. Koreans like youthful looking makeup, so try to use more muted shades of pink or neutral shades. For eyeliner, I'm using Dior eyeliner pencil. I'm gonna tight line my eyes to make it look bigger, and I'm only applying on the top part. Next, I'm using brown eyeshadow as a liner to give a soft faded effect. We're gonna bring it a little bit out to create a small wing. Then apply near the waterline, starting from the corner of the eye until the center only. To make the eyes look bigger and awake, take your highlighter and apply near the waterline, starting from the inner corner to the center. I'm using Sleek Highlighter. Then curl your lashes. For my lashes, I'm using Milk and Heroin Make Mascara to make my lashes look thick and full. I love the Heroin Make Mascara because it has tiny fibers to make my lashes look extra full. I'm gonna apply a little bit of Can Make Concealer just to really hide my dark circles. You don't need to add too much, just a little will do, and blend away. Take what's left from your neutral shade shadow and contour the nose. The trick to making it look natural is to keep blending. Going back to that highlighter, add a little bit on the tip of the nose to make the nose look thinner. For blush, stick to light pink or coral shades, then apply at the center of the cheeks and a little on the nose for that Korean youthful flush. Next, we're gonna do gradient lips. Start with a light pink shade and apply on the lips. Then with a darker shade or a plum shade, apply only near the inside of your lips like so, and blend a little. And there you have it, my Korean-inspired makeup look. I hope you learned a thing or two, and if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching!